Hi guys, welcome to Drum Dog. This is our overview video for the UK Drum Show 2024. So this year's video is a little bit different than the one before, and I'll tell you why in a minute, but we didn't have a lot of time to go around looking around all the stuff on the show floor. But the bits I did see were pretty cool. The highlights for the drum kits on the shop floor, I really like the Pearl reference, and that Mapex Black Panther design lab was really nice. And of course all your usual suspects showing the best they've got to offer. And the reason why things are going to be a little different for us this year is we had the honour to be picking up Mr. Bernard Purdie from the airport on the Saturday, and he's going to be doing some filming for us and a show in London the week later. But we thought we'd take him up to the UK Drum Show on the Sunday, and we also knew they had a bit of a surprise for him as well. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I don't know yet.
I
don't know yet.
Is it you? Is it really you? Can I trust my eyes?
Such an inspiration for
Cheers, thank you so much.
This is amazing.
Now, taking Bernard around the show was a little bit surreal, and really another honour to be holding the camera for so many of you to have your photos taken with him. A really special moment came when we stopped at the Sonor stand, and it was almost like Bernard was transformed to when he first went to see Sonor in 1967. Now, he just chose a kit, sat on it and started playing, and he stopped the show.
seconds of the Purdie.
This was such a special moment, somebody even asked him to sign the drum kit and then bought it, just to capture that moment. Just as he had surprised the people at the UK Drum Show, the UK Drum Show had a surprise for him. We were asked to take him to the main stage just before the final act, where he was introduced on stage and presented a Lifetime Achievement Award, and you can see his reaction was complete surprise, full of emotion. He was so happy.
On behalf of all of us here at the UK Drum Show and all of the drummers you've inspired over the years and for the fabulous music you've contributed worldwide, great pleasure presenting the UK Drum Show Lifetime Achievement Award to you, my friend. Bernard, are you okay? Would you like to say a few words? Just give him a minute, just give him a minute.
Oh boy.
This is all for you, Bernard. This is all for you, my friend.
Oh boy, oh boy. Oh no.
Oh no.
Folks have no idea how this makes me feel. I'm still here. I'm still around. I'm still able to play. And to be able to see this myself. And I'm fortunate, and I'm very, very fortunate that my wife has given me the chance and the honor to be here and doing this. You guys will never know how much it means to me. I thank you. I thank you all. And sir, I thank you for this honor. It's wonderful.
You're most welcome. You're most welcome.
We want to say a huge thank you to the UK Drum Show for being so kind to us with their access and kind to Bernard. Also, a big thank you to the staff of the ACC Liverpool and everyone who interacted with us on the show floor. We'll see you next year. If you want to see more from Mr. Purdie, head over to our website drum.dog, where we will soon be releasing some exclusive content from the one and only Bernard Pretty Purdie.